everyone, welcome back. In this session we would learn how to solve the practice problem pre-order traversal. So first we would understand the question and then we would solve it. So let's start. So basically for pre-order traversal we need to move from route, then left and then right. Okay, so let's take this example. First route, that means 1. Okay, then I need to go to left side, that is 4. Okay, again keep moving left, again 4. Okay, finally I just need to write right element, that is 2. Okay, so this is how you do pre-order traversal. I hope the concept is clear to you. Now let's move forward to the solution. So basically you need to go to the practice portal. In practice portal, in the difficulty level, choose basic. Okay, then find the problem pre-order traversal. Once you find the problem, you need to click on solve. Okay, so let's solve it. 1 minute. Here is it. Let's read the question first. Given a binary tree, find its pre-order traversal. Okay, this is the question and we need to code it over here. Okay, so let's start. 1 minute. Enter. Okay, so the first thing is if root is none, that means there is nothing, then I just need to return. Okay, return. Okay, enter. Else first I need to append the root, right? So it is res dot append. Okay, what do I need to append? I need to append the root dot data. Okay, this is step number 1. Then pre-order 1 minute, pre-order util. Okay, over here I need to write first root dot left. Okay, then it is comma res. Enter the same for right side, right? Order util 1 minute, and over here it would be root dot right comma res. Okay, enter. Now next thing is I need to declare this, right? So def, okay, def pre-order, circular brackets. Over here I need to write root. Okay, then colon, enter. Okay, wait, I can do it like this. 1 minute. Pre-order root, let it be over here, and over here it could be order. Okay, and util. Okay, over here it could be pre-order root. Okay, enter, and over here I can just write res equal to brackets, enter. Next it could be calling of the function that I just created over here, that is pre-order. 1 minute, pre-order util. Okay, then over here it could be root comma res. Okay, finally I just need to return with res, right? So return res. Now I need to check if the solution is correct or not. So I would click on compile and run. Let's wait. We need to wait. There is a runtime error. Let me check. There might be some spelling mistakes. So let's see. So there is an error in line number 25. Okay. So pre-order. Okay. But 2 were given. Okay. Okay. Let's wait. Pre-order root comma res should over here. 1 minute. That's my mistake. Now compile and run. Let's wait. Let's wait. It's taking some time, but we need to wait for it. So let's wait. Okay, almost done. We need to wait. Okay, the compilation is completed and my output is matching with the expected output. So now I would submit the given problem. Okay, so let's wait for it. Problem is solved successfully, and this is how you solve the practice problem pre-order traversal. I hope this video was helpful for you and you guys enjoyed it. If you guys have enjoyed the video, make sure you click on the like button and subscribe our channel, and thank you for joining me today. Thank you.